So for this one, I recommend that you have the premium subscription of Canva. Although you have the free version, in this tutorial, you will not be able to use the full extent of all the elements that are available if you do not have premium. That being said, I just want to show you how you can create your book, your children's book on Canva for fun or for whatever reason, or even as a giveaway if you wanted to, just using a few of these graphics and text. You could also go to ChatGPT to get a lot of ideas of children's book. So here you can see it says children's book ideas and there's a list. And you could go through these yourself by typing in children's book ideas and using any one of these ideas to come up with your own unique spin. So let's go back to Canva. So for this unique one I created, it was specifically for swimming on the beach. Well, swimming, but I call it swimming on the beach. You can, when you create your own, you can create whatever title you want. So the theme for this one is just the beach and swimming. So as you can see the image I create that I've swapped in here of a guy swimming, and it says I love the beach, and you can see the sun and stuff. Again, I got the elements and put them in here and swapped them in. And I did the same with the background image here and also here. Enough with my rambling and explanations, let's get started. So to start, we click create, we click A4 and we select portrait. So right now we're not bothered about creating the front cover, we just want to get started creating the comic. So to start, we go to elements. So now we want to think of what kind of theme. So the example you saw was swimming. I'm going to now do a jungle theme. Jungle. Then see all. And I'm going to select one of these that are here. So this one here, I'm going to put in. And I'm now going to drag to resize. Hover over the circle here, then click and drag to resize. I'm going to now grab this image of the monkey over here and drag it over. Place it here. And we can grab this over here and place it down here. And we can hover over the circle and drag to shrink. We can also grab other elements on here and do the same. Just grab this over here and place it here. Hover over and shrink. So we have this, and now we can just come over here to elements, type in shapes, and we click shapes, and we can grab this box here and we can put it here in the center. We can hover over the circle, click drag over the circle to drag it, and we can position it more to the center. Or we could position it anywhere on the right, but in my case, the center. Here we can click the color and we can click white. Then we come over here where it says transparency and we can hover over this here circle here and we can just drag it down. Next we can add text. We come over to the left of here, click text, and we can click drag the text to the center. Now we can write in whatever text we want to. Next, I'm going to go up here to Elements and type in Explorer. I'm going to grab this image here and move it here. I'm going to enlarge it just a little bit. And I'm going to right click, go to layer, and I'm going to click send backward. I'm also going to do it again, send backward again. So as you can see, there's also a layer effect to this, so you can see that the image here of the plant is covering the buoy. If we want to, we can just make the buoy more visible by highlighting, leave that there, by highlighting the image here and right click in and click send to back, send backwards. As you can see, it's now sent backwards. But sometimes that's not enough. We want to reposition it. Also, I just want to add that let's say things are moving around. We can just highlight everything. And we can right click. And we can click lock. That will lock everything into place. So unlock it. So we click the padlock to unlock it. For this case, I just want to lock these two. So another way, let's say we can't click the item specifically, we can go to position, click on the images you want to lock together, and I'm going to move this. I'm going to unlock everything. We can click, hold down shift. Then click the area, this one here, this layer here. So we come to the page and we click unlock. So we just want the background for the specific images, but we want to leave the text. So to do that, we just select all the layers besides the text and this white transparent background here. So again, we hold down shift and we click everything, and we hold control and we just click the text and the transparent background. Now we right click and we click lock. So those are locked into place. So I want to group the text and the background. To do that, we just select both of these. So if you hold down control, then click the second image, the second graphic, we now have it looked together. Now we go here to group. Now it's grouped together and we just move it. Sometimes it might pop forward. We can easily just go to the layer and just send it backwards again if we wanted to. So that's how we do that. Next we go here to where it says border. We click border and we just click and drag the rounded one to round it. So I know I said I'm not going to create a front cover right now, but this is just an example of if you wanted to just create the inside of the book. So right now this looks like a front cover, but that's fine. We'll just leave that as is. So we can add in the second page and we just do what we did with the first page. So we can use the circle here to reposition the text so it can be centered. So as you can see, this is done, this is done. This is just an example of what you can do. So for example, let's say you wanted to upload an image. You could come here to where it says uploads, and you can easily upload one of the images here yourself. But I'm not going to do that for this tutorial because I just wanted to show you the basics of how to use Canva to create books. So yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.